Let's go. Let's find the eggs. Green. Purple. Yellow. Pink. Blue. Red. Are you excited? Good. Let's go open the eggs.
Look at my asshole, guys. There's something in the egg.
And what are you going to do with the eggs?
I'll crush them.
And open it?
Yeah.
And see the surprise inside. This is for our Easter special, guys.
It's the color pink, guys.
Okay, which one is the color pink?
This.
Hold it up. Let's see. Okay. Are you ready to smash it?
Yeah.
You smash it. What's inside?
Maybe. Garden. Surprise. I will tell you. I need help, Mommy.
Okay, let me help you. Yeah, a little truck. It says army. I have no idea what that little truck is, but there you go. And what color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow. Ready to smash it?
Yeah.
Smash it. Ah, good job. What's inside?
There's a green. I will tell you.
It's a green cake. Wow.
I can open it.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool, Asal. Oh my goodness. Ah. What color was that?
Pink.
Yes. Ready to smash it?
Yeah.
Smash. Whoa.
A green.
It's a green truck. Is it a truck? What is it? What is it? Can you show us? Ah, it looks like a school bus. A green school bus?
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, it says happy bus. It's a bus.
And
Pull it back and see what happens. Look at your collection. My goodness.
now purple.
Which one is that? What color is that? Oh, purple. Okay. Are you going to smash it?
Yeah.
Whoa, you're strong.
Hey, Mommy.
And what do we have there?
We have another. Is a red. Is a.
Let's see. This looks like a, this says, oh, it's like a recycle car.
Yeah.
Recycle car. I have no idea, but it's a recycle car.
I need help.
You need help. Okay. And what color is that, Asal? The car.
The turquoise.
Good job, baby.
Oh, look.
All right, what's next?
Purple.
Purple again? Okay, let's crush it. And what's in there? Wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That looks like another army truck. Ooh, cool. And what color is that?
Red.
Red, yeah. And what do you have there?
This is
And what color is that, Asal?
gray.
Yeah, looks like a gray beige color, huh? Yeah, good. What color is that?
Blue.
Blue. Smash it. There.
We have maybe another army. Another one.
Another one that looks like a delivery bus
Yeah.
or like a taxi. Wow. And what color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow, yeah. Good job.
Yellow.
Oh, look at your collection here.
This is green.
And what color is that?
Green.
Green, good girl.
Here, mommy.
And what do we have there?
We have a red ambulance.
Is it an ambulance?
Yeah.
Yeah.
On the 8. This is the red ambulance. And this. Okay, again. This is again.
And the last egg is green. Good job. What's that? What's in there?
Truck.
Green truck. Yes,
Green truck.
army truck. Asal, do you want to play with your toys now? Do you want to play with all the trucks and the cars and the ambulances?
Yeah.
This is the collection. Pretty cool stuff. And we will show you this thing. Pull back and see what happens. Start with this one. Pull, pull, pull. Whoa! And what about this one? Oop. Oh, I thought this one's coming your way. Whoa, that one's super fast. What about this one? Wow! Whoa! And this one? I hit you in the tummy. Whoa! Whoa!
Bye, guys.
See you next time.
We're not done yet.
We're not done yet? What are we doing?
We're doing this.
Oh, lining up your cars, huh?
We're lining up the car.
All right, guys, I think this is the end of the video. Thank you for joining us. Bye-bye.
No, I mean, don't say bye-bye because we're almost doing it.
Clearly, Asal is not done playing with her cars, but this is a really great idea. Instead of having candy or chocolate and Easter eggs, I found this on Amazon, really decent price. So I will link it below in the description box. So if you want to consider or reconsider buying Easter eggs, chocolate eggs with something more fun, I think these toys are pretty affordable, and the fun part is that it could pull back and you let go and watch it go.